When you first see this motorhome, it immediately feels different from anything you're used to. It doesn't look playful, adventurous, or recreational. Instead, it feels engineered, intentional, and quietly powerful. The exterior design is sharp and futuristic, with a strong Scandinavian influence. Clean lines, a controlled silhouette, and a commanding front profile give it the presence of a premium coach rather than a traditional motorhome. There's a sense of calm authority in the way it sits on the road. Nothing is exaggerated, nothing is decorative for the sake of attention. The design feels mature, confident, and forward-thinking. This is a motorhome designed for people who value control, privacy, and efficiency over flashiness. Even before stepping inside, it's clear that this vehicle is about precision and purpose as you enter the interior. That same philosophy continues seamlessly. The transition from outside to inside feels natural, almost architectural. The color palette is consistent and restrained, dominated by deep navy, graphite black, and matte black surfaces. Warm golden lighting is used carefully, not to soften the space, but to give it depth and warmth without breaking its professional character. The lounge area is the first space that truly defines what this motorhome is about. It's compact, disciplined, and free of cliches. There are two opposing sofas facing each other, low profile and straight-lined, designed to feel structured rather than casual. The upholstery stays within dark, neutral tones, keeping the space calm and focused. Cushions are minimal, just enough for comfort, without turning the lounge into a casual living room. Between the two sofas, there is exactly one table, placed centrally. It's slim, understated, and functional, holding only a single decorative element. There are no side tables, no shelves pretending to be tables, and no clutter. This simplicity gives the lounge a refined, executive feel. It's a space meant for conversation, reflection, or quiet moments while traveling, not for filling with unnecessary furniture. Golden LED lighting runs subtly along the ceiling and architectural lines, highlighting the geometry of the space. Moving into the kitchen, the design becomes even more focused on efficiency. This is a compact precision galley, built to do exactly what it needs to do, and nothing more. Light gray cabinetry integrated directly into the wall contrasts beautifully with the matte black countertop. The handle-less design keeps everything clean and uninterrupted, reinforcing the futuristic aesthetic. The kitchen includes a built-in 2-burner induction stove, an integrated black sink, and only essential appliances. A compact coffee machine and minimal storage jars sit neatly in place, emphasizing function over excess. A small fold-out table and 2 compact stools provide a practical dining solution without taking up permanent space. When not in use, everything tucks away cleanly, keeping the area visually calm. As you move further inside, the motorhome reveals a compact executive office area, one of the most practical and forward-thinking spaces in the vehicle. This is not a separate room, but a quiet productivity zone integrated directly into the side section of the motorhome. The desk is wall-mounted and floating, finished in matte black, just large enough for focused work. An ergonomic executive chair faces the desk, designed for comfort without bulk. Integrated shelves and concealed drawers provide storage while keeping the space visually clean. There's no decoration here, only essential tech, a laptop, a keyboard, maybe a tablet. Golden lighting softly illuminates the workspace, creating a calm and focused environment that feels professional rather than domestic. This office area makes a clear statement. The dressing area continues this sense of quiet efficiency. Compact and private, it feels like a personal corridor rather than a room. Matte black wardrobes line the wall, partially open to reveal hanging clothes inside. The interior of the cupboards is softly lit with golden LED lighting, making the space feel warm and organized. A slim vanity shelf paired with a backlit mirror adds functionality without clutter. Everything is designed to be used daily without drawing attention to itself. The result is a space that feels calm, personal, and refined. The bedroom follows the same visual language as the lounge, creating a sense of continuity rather than separation. The bed is low profile and integrated into the structure of the motorhome. There are no bedside tables, no decorative overload, and no distractions. Dark bedding and clean surfaces dominate the space, while golden lighting runs subtly along the ceiling and behind the head panel. This is not a hotel bedroom. It's a controlled rest space, designed for privacy and deep rest. The atmosphere is quiet, enclosed, and focused, making it ideal for long journeys and demanding schedules. The bathroom reflects the same disciplined design approach. Compact and efficient, it uses black stone-textured walls that run from floor to ceiling, giving the space a strong, unified identity. A full-height glass-enclosed wet shower maximizes the sense of openness, while a floating matte black vanity keeps the layout clean and functional. Golden mirror backlighting and subtle ceiling lights soften the space just enough to make it comfortable without losing its bold character. Everything here feels durable, premium, and thoughtfully engineered. The front of the motorhome. The cockpit completes the experience. This is a true driving cabin, not a lounge. Two fixed seats face directly toward the dashboard and steering wheel, positioned for an upright, focused driving posture. There are no swivel seats, no angled layouts, and no relaxed configurations. The dashboard is flat, horizontal, and logical, with digital displays positioned exactly where the driver expects them. The panoramic windshield offers a commanding view of the road ahead, reinforcing the sense of control and confidence. Golden ambient lighting adds refinement without distraction, making the cockpit feel professional and road-ready. Now, let's talk about pricing. A motorhome built to this level of design, engineering, and customization would sit firmly in the ultra-luxury segment. Depending on specifications, materials, and technology, pricing would realistically start in the high six-figure range and could easily move into seven figures. This is not a motorhome for casual trips or weekend getaways. It's built for executives, creators, entrepreneurs, and individuals who want their lifestyle and workspace to move with them without compromise. So here's the question. Would you live and work on the road in a motorhome like this? Or do you think luxury should stay in one place? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. If you enjoyed this walkthrough, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more futuristic vehicles and luxury interiors. And tell me, which space in this motorhome impressed you the most?